हे स्टूडेंट्स, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम ऑन अदर 24/7 ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम करेंगे हमारे ब्लड रिलेशन के टॉपिक। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द ब्लड रिलेशन फॉर फ्यू मोर क्वेश्चंस। लेट्स हैव अ लुक अबाउट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Try to solve this question by yourself. I start solving this question with you guys. Here it is given that there are three generations in this question and having 8 members. It is given that here there are 3 generations over here, and next it is saying that B is a wife of P. B is a wife of P. It is given over here, so we can mention here as B is a wife of P. That means P is a husband of B. H is grandson of B. H is grandson of B. That means B and P are having a son or daughter, and H is a grandson of B. It is mentioned here. P has only 2 daughters. P has only 2 daughters. G is a cousin of H. G is a cousin of H. N is father of H. N is father of H. A is daughter of P. Maybe A will be here, maybe A will be here. We are not confirmed by this line. Coming on the next line, L is son-in-law of B. N is son-in-law of B. Okay, fine. N is a husband of A, so we may mention A as in here. C is an aunt of H, so C will be here. There are only 8 members in the family. P, B, N, A, C, H and G. We are not identified with the gender of G, as it is not given that G is a son or a daughter, because it is saying only that G is a cousin. I may highlight this line by the highlighter. Here is a G is the only cousin of H. It is only mentioned here. Okay, so cousin, it may be a brother, maybe a sister. We are not confirmed. I hope so you all guys are make the diagram as same as I am. Coming on the question, first question, it is asking how is G related to B. How is G? We are not able to identify the gender of G, so we go with the cannot be determined in this question. Coming on the next, how is L related to G? How is L related to G? We are not okay, fine. L will be the husband of, because it is mentioned only the 3 peoples are here, and it is mentioned over here L is also a people, so L is married to C, because it is L is son-in-law of B. It is mentioned here, so we may arrange it here. So now question, how is L related to G? L is father of G, so father we are having in option number A. Option number A will be the right answer for this question. All those who have answered A is the right answer for this question. Coming on the next line, next question, it is given over here. I again prefer that pause the video and try to solve this question by yourself. So let's have a look about the solution. It is given over here. Q is a wife of P. That means P is a husband. P has only one child who is a female. X is married to A. Okay. K is brother of J and L. K is brother of J and L. We are not able to identify the gender of these. J is a grandson. That means J is a boy. J is a grandson of Q. That means K, J and L will be the here, and K is a brother of J and L, and J is a grandson, so we are able to identify the gender of J. K is son of X. K is son of X. X is son-in-law of Q. X is son-in-law of Q. There are total 7 peoples in the family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 peoples. That means we already arranged P, Q. We never arranged the A, so that means A will be arranged here, as it is mentioned here. X is married to A, so A is a daughter of P, and who is married to X, who is a husband of A. That is clear there. We are not able again to identify the gender of L. The first question begins from here. In what way Q is related to K? In what way Q related to K? Q is a grandmother of K. Q is a grandmother of K, and we are having a grandmother in the third option. Therefore, the third option will be the right answer for this question. Coming on the next, in what way L is related to Q? L is related to Q. We are having a L and we are not able to identify the gender of L. K is L will be a brother, maybe a brother or maybe a sister. We are not confirmed, and here we are not having Q's maybe a grandson or maybe a granddaughter. We are not having a either or option, so we go with the E option. If we are having in this option grandchildren's, we go with this one option. If as we are not having this one, so we can second go with either grandson or granddaughter, or we can having here either B or C option, but still we are not having, so the third preference will go on the E option. E option will be the right answer, cannot be determined for this question. I am providing you this question as an homework. Try to solve this question as by yourself and try to answer me in a comment section given at the last of the session. Answer me in the comment section at the end of the video. I hope so you all like the questions and able to solve it and answer me the homework questions in a comment section. Please keep sharing and do subscribe Ada 24/7 Bankers Ada 24/7 channel. Bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.